this quick video, you are going to see how WhatsApp document photo not showing in gallery and the fix for that. So there are several options you can follow. You can enable auto download feature. Just be sure that your auto save feature for WhatsApp media is turned on. It also allows you to download photos only on Wi-Fi, restricting it to cellular data and vice versa. For Android, open your WhatsApp, tap the three dots icon on the top and select Settings. Tap Storage and Data and choose a desired option under Media Auto Download. In addition, you have to enable media visibility on Android as well. So to do that, go to WhatsApp, Settings, and then Chats and go to Media Visibility and turn it on. And then you can also try second method, that is restart your phone. Still, pictures from WhatsApp are not showing in gallery. Consider restarting your smartphone. This is the easiest way to remove any minor WhatsApp glitch, hindering its normal functioning. And the third one is clear WhatsApp cache. Often there's malware or a bug in WhatsApp cache files, which can be why the WhatsApp images folder is not showing in the gallery. Deleting the WhatsApp cache is a handy option to confirm this. Moreover, clearing these unwanted files also improves your phone's overall performance and frees up extra storage. And for Android, you can head over to Settings, go to Apps, and go to Manage Apps. And here find and tap WhatsApp, go to Storage, and hit Clear Data. And the fourth one is Create Free Storage. It's the same as the clearing cache. And fifth one is Delete number of media files. Another reason for WhatsApp videos not showing in gallery can be the presence of a no media file in WhatsApp storage. This file hides the WhatsApp media in your phone's gallery. So the next step you should be doing is deleting the .no media file on your Android phone. Here's how to do that. Go to your file manager and tap the three dots icon to open its settings. Now enable the show hidden files option and go to the file manager and open WhatsApp folder. Go to media and go to WhatsApp images. Here delete the .no media file permanently. It will show like this. And yeah, the sixth one is you can update your WhatsApp. One common cause of WhatsApp images not showing in the gallery is using an outdated version of WhatsApp. Not only it deprives you of the latest features and upgrades, but it also leads to performance issues in the app. So just head over to your Play Store and update your WhatsApp. These are the 6 methods you can follow to fix your WhatsApp document photo not showing in gallery. Hope this will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.